Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to delete files permanently from Google Drive on your phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to open up your Google Drive. So I'm going to simply click on here, open my Google Drive. Having opened up your Google Drive, next thing you can do is to simply select the file you want to permanently delete. So I'm going to simply click on this particular file right here. Just like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on these three dots from the top. And this is going to drop down. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply scroll down and click on remove right here. Then click on OK. The next thing we can do now is to go back to the drive. By the time I refresh my drive, the file has been deleted. Next thing we want to do is to simply come to the top right here. We'll click on this three slider. And the next thing we want to do is to go to trash. And the next thing we want to do is to simply click on empty trash. Then all items in the trash will be deleted forever and you will not be able to restore them. So simply click on delete forever. Boom. Everything has been cleared. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to permanently delete files from Google Drive using your phone. I hope you really got value for this video. Find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you